Now within the Image tab, you will make a specific selection. Now each selection then can have an effect with it. So for example, we can do the file selection, and then we can then capture that file with a specific effect. So for example, let's assume that we're going to capture the file, and we're going to do so with a border. Now once we use that border, we can then click on this settings gear, and then we can do some settings. So for example, we can widen the border, we can change the color of the border, and then once we have it the way we want it, we can then capture. And then we're going to choose the file. We're then going to click open, and you'll see the image now captured with a border around it for us to be able to use with our content. We can also use a filter. In this case, we're going to click on the settings gear, and then we're going to choose a specific filter. So for example, we can say that what we want to do is to invert the colors. And then we can then capture the image. We'll click capture. We'll open it into our editor. And you'll see now that the colors of the image have changed. The original colors looked with this background. However, with colors inverted, our image looks different. In addition to the filters, we can also use a shadow. We're going to click capture. We're going to grab our image. And then our editor is going to open again. When our editor opens, we'll then see the shadow that we have on. We can also, with our selection, create capture information. If we click on the gear icon, we can determine how much info we're going to place with the image once it is captured, as well as to customize that information. For example, in this case, we can customize the font. We can then click capture. So basically, we can capture the image using any of the menu items that we have here in order to enhance our overall image. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Hello and welcome. You're now looking at the TechSmith.com website, and in particular, you're looking at the section for Snagit, its screen capture program. Snagit is designed to work on your desktop computer, whether it's Windows or Mac, to capture a screenshot or a video. It's also made to take that screenshot and to help you to be able to annotate it with identifying information. What this does is allows you to create detailed and accurate graphics for your instructional content. The program integrates with other applications, specifically both Microsoft and Google, in addition to Evernote, YouTube, Dropbox, and others. Now, although the program is not Camtasia, it does function as a screen recorder, allowing you to record yourself working through specific steps. That means then that you are allowed to record your webcam as well as audio content. You can create animated GIFs, trim down video clips, and then record your entire iOS screen. Now Snagit starts with a free trial as well as allowing you to buy the program outright. It's possible that you may already have a version of Snagit on your personal computer. In that case, you can upgrade that version for less than the full price. And we'll talk about that in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome back. So there are three primary ways that you can operate Snagit, and you're going to see the Snagit menu, which you can move around your personal computer or your screen wherever you want it to be. There's also your Snagit editor, and this is where you'll be working with your screenshots once you create them. If you want to open the editor, you can use your menu and open up the editor by clicking this link. That's going to bring you into the Snagit editor. Now this is grayed out in this case, but you're going to be logged into the Snagit editor, giving you access to the TechSmith server. What we're now going to do is we're going to minimize the Snagit editor. You'll then see your screen again, and the other thing that you'll have available to you will be the one-click screen. And you're going to see here that what we're going to do is move our cursor toward the one-click screen, that's going to bring down the area that you can use in order to start your screen share captures. In order to exit Snagit altogether, all you'll need to do is to go to this area, and there you'll be able to edit Snagit. What you can also do is go to the view screen. You're going to see there that it says hide one click. That's going to get rid of your one-click window that we had right here at the top. If you want to bring that one-click window back, you're going to go to the view screen. You're going to click show one click. That's going to be here at the top, and you'll be able to have it available to you. Now, if you're using multiple screens, you can take that one-click menu and you can move it other places, not only on your first screen, but you can move it off your screen altogether into an area of your personal computer. And what we're going to do here is we're going to bring the one-click menu back. What you're going to notice when we put it down near the end or near the middle, it goes over off your screen so that it's out of your way. In order to get it back, all you'll do is hover over it. That'll bring the menu where you want it to be. And those are going to be the basics of operating Snagit on your interface. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.